What's going on, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews, and well, not so much review, but we are going to be installing a tempered glass screen protector on this brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max. We got the deep purple back here, and we got to get some protection on that front. So let's check it out. All right, so this is from the company Ringke. This is a tempered glass screen protector. It offers 9H hardness, HD resolution, the maximum. It offers really good touch sensitivity, and it has anti-chip with external reinforcement. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing on. Now, I do have one of these same ones on my my Samsung Fold 4. Got the same exact case, the same exact glass. And let's just get this off to the side for right now. Now, the good thing about this whole setup is it comes with like a guide and everything to put it together. So let's go ahead and get everything unpacked. All right. So on the inside, you do get your tempered glass right here. Sit that to the side. And this is everything else that you get. All your instructions, which are right here in this packaging. You get screen wipe, you get dust removers, you get microfiber cloth, and you also get a little squeegee. Everything else is just dry. All right, so first thing I actually like to do is turn my phone off first and foremost. Phone is off. See, off. When you're getting ready to do this whole setup, if you got the phone on, it will invite static electricity, so we don't like that, and it will cause dust to accumulate on the screen. We don't want that either. Next thing, we're gonna take the little jib piece that they gave us in here. It was actually in this clear piece. Put that to the side now. And we're gonna clean this screen off first. So first and foremost, always clean the screen, but we do wanna prep some of this stuff because I'll show you how it's gonna work in a moment. All right, so Ringke has some of the best alcohol wipes. They're nice and large. They cover a large area. So I'm just gonna wipe the screen down really good, getting rid of any oil or anything that may be on it. We've been using this for a couple of days now. All right, then I'm gonna wipe it down with this microfiber cloth, just like so. Set that to the side. Put my squeegee up top, and I don't see any dust as of right now. So I'm not gonna use these dust removers, but let's just use it just because. All right, screen looks nice and clean. Now on this piece, there is one part that is a little bit more slim than the other part. This part will actually like go right into where the phone lightning adapter is, the lightning port. And your actual screen over here has these little pieces. You're just gonna line these up, just like so. And then you're gonna put the top piece back down on here, locking it in place so that you are now free to put your screen on, just like that. So here we go. I do want to, just in case, take one of these, go back over that screen again, just in case anything decided it wanted to jump on that screen. I'm just gonna dab, dab, dab. Dab, 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 all the way around. All right, got that out of the way. Next, we're gonna take this white piece, this white flap, and we're going to pull down. Just like so, taking that part off. And we're going to lay this on our display, just like so. And once it kind of does its thing, you're gonna get all the little excess air bubbles out. We're gonna lift up down here. Gonna take this piece off. Just like so. And get any excess air bubbles out. Let's see. It's kind of hard to get them off this side right here. But it can be done. We still got a few air bubbles. So normally what happens in a few days or so, these air bubbles kind of like work their way out. Now I will tell you, when I had this piece in place, you kind of got to maneuver it just a little bit to get it to come all the way up to the top. Otherwise, your screen is gonna stop like right down here. You're gonna have some hanging off the bottom. All right, so I still got a few of these air bubbles right here on the side. Hopefully that kind of clears itself up in about a day or so. But other than that, it looks really good. It feels just like the screen. No issues there. Let's get this thing opened. All right, so it still looks really clear, and touch sensitivity is still there. I don't see anything wrong with it as of yet, other than these little air bubbles. So hopefully these will be resolved in about a day or so. I'll keep working on trying to get them out, but that's it. This is the Ringke tempered glass screen protector for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. It looks really good. The sensitivity is still there. Touch is nice. It fits the cases, so I don't have to really try that out. It's not thick, it's not bulky or anything, so it looks good, feels good, and I think it's gonna be worth your money to protect this screen. So I'm gonna drop a link below so you can go by and check this out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.